Okay, today I would like to show you how to personalize an item from the website, and whether that means add a monogram like seen here in the window shopper, or adding something else, words, something funny, whatever. I'm going to start up at the search products. I know what I'd like to search for. Oh, well, that was actually fairly simple. So I can type in a number, or I can select something from here. I'm going to actually type in the number for a large utility tote, and I am going to select a large utility tote pattern that I'd like to personalize, and I'm going to select personalize. Then it's going to bring me to the personalization suite. Okay, so once you get here in the personalization suite, I am going to scroll down just a little bit. Now here, if I hadn't picked the exact pattern that I wanted, I can choose from all of the available prints that are here. Once they all get loaded, it takes a minute depending on your internet connection. I already know that I like this charcoal crosshatch, so I'm going to use that. Now I'm going to select the second option, which is choose personalization. Now here, all of the categories are available, and you can see all of the designs here. So I'd like to put a special message on my large utility tote. So I am going to scroll down, look at all of these beautiful personalization options, and I am going to find the one that says message, and it's my text. So this is going to allow me to put whatever, like pretty much whatever I want on it. So I'm going to choose this, and then I can minimize the designs options. If I like, I can do that. I don't have to, but I can, just to make a little bit more space. Then option number 3, or step number 3, I'm going to choose the text and color that I want. So I'm going to click on that, and I am going to type in going, and then I'm going to add a line of text, and I'm going to put camping because that's perfect. And then I'm going to tab out of it, and then you can see over here that it's put my my text on here, which is pretty cool. I'm gonna do a fun color for my going camping, and so you can change the color. Now, unfortunately, no matter which color you choose, it's going for both. Okay, so you can't do one line with one color and another line with another. At the same rate, you can change the font that you like. So maybe it's already black. Let's see if I like curled better. Maybe I would like Fun Dots a little bit better. Fun Dots is really nice. That's always one of my favorites. What about Headline? That one's kind of cool. Or what about Script? Oh, I like that too. I'm going to do that. Now, once I've decided what I want and I've found the right script, I can click Save and Add to Cart, and it is going to put this in my cart. Now, I have the option of finding something else, or I can personalize another item. So I'm actually going to personalize something else. Whoopsies, I went too far. I'm going to do a denim crosshatch, large utility tote. I'm going to personalize this. Now, you can add an iconate to your item. You can add, let's say I want to put some kind of symbol or some kind of something on here, and then I want to add some words. Well, there's all kinds of different cute little items to put on here. So as they load, there's a barn and there's a bear. Let's see. I think I want to. I love this little fox. I'm going to add this fox. And then you'll notice here, it wasn't previously in the my text where we did the text, but you can actually change the design color. So if I decide I love that fox, but I want him to look more like a wolf, I can change his color. I can make him look a little bit different. Isn't that adorable? Look at that. I can change him back to orange and he'll be a fox, which is super cute. But I'm a big wolf person, so I think I'm going to add him as a wolf. And then I'm going to choose text. I'm going to add a line of text and I am going to say, um, Mama's bag. And then I'm going to add another line of text. Now see, if you see here, the wolf got a little bit smaller and it added some text here and text here. Now I could go back, let's say I'm like, oh no, I think he's going to be too small. So I'm going to click remove this line and it makes him a little bit bigger and it puts Mama's bag on the bottom, right? Isn't that cute? I could change this to be, let's go camping. Right, and then I can change the color, like maybe I feel like that'll blend in a little too much, or it's black. I would really like this beautiful navy blue to go with the straps. You notice if you hover over the color in the different sections, it will tell you what color that is. Sometimes the plum looks a little bit maybe like it's chocolate, or we'll see, there's chestnut brown. So you have different options there. So I just wanted to give you an idea on how you could personalize your items. Now there are some items that will only allow you to do, and let's say if I decide I don't really want it and I've decided I've changed my mind. But there are some items that you can only do a monogram on. So just be aware of that piece. There, it will say how you can personalize it, and your personalization options will come up here. If you're only able to put a monogram on something, that's all that will show up here. So I hope that you found this video helpful, and I look forward to helping you personalize your items while you're shopping.